Welcome to the height paradox, where we explore why being tall might not always be the ultimate advantage. Does your height truly dictate your destiny? We're often led to believe that being tall is an automatic win, but science suggests a much more complex height paradox. The world sees you differently regardless of your stature, and it's not always how you'd expect. Let's start by looking at what's called the height premium, the power of perception. Research reveals a stark height premium in salaries. Every extra inch of stature adds roughly $800 to an annual salary, according to studies. Psychologists refer to this as the halo effect, where we subconsciously link physical height to attributes like authority, competence, and leadership. However, this tall bias has a flip side, which is often overlooked. The tall bias often brings immense pressure and higher expectations. Tall individuals can find themselves constantly having to live up to a subconscious assumption of authority. Conversely, shorter individuals often master strategic charisma. They use intellect and energy rather than physical stature to command a room, proving that brain power beats frame size. Now, for a fascinating biological plot twist that turns the quote "tall is better" narrative on its head. Data from PLOS shows a strong correlation between shorter stature and a longer lifespan. It's simple physics. Smaller bodies require less heart efficiency. If you are tall, you might be biologically built for the sprint. But if you are short, you are naturally built for the marathon of life. Beyond biology and economics, the social arena is also undergoing a profound shift. While height was once a status signal, Gen Z is ushering in the era of the short king. Social trends now prize personality and vibe over raw physical metrics. When you're not the biggest person in the room, you are compelled to become the smartest, funniest, or most skilled. That level of drive is something you can't simply buy. Ultimately, your physical height is only one part of the equation. It's the hardware. Let's talk about the software. Your height is the hardware. Your confidence is the software that truly runs the show. It's how you carry yourself that matters most. Harvard Business School proved that power posing can shift your hormone levels in minutes. Stand tall regardless of your inches and project confidence. Thanks for diving deep into the height paradox with me. So, how tall are you, and what's the one thing you absolutely love about your stature? Let's settle the height debate in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your personal perspective on this topic. If this deep dive changed your perspective or you just enjoyed the science, please hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.